You've spoken to hundreds of people, finally one person is interested. How can you get them to make a decision to buy your product? We make 35,000 decisions every day. So how can we get an executive make a decision to buy our product? 35,000 decisions every day. That's just one decision they've got to make. You know, I recommend when you speak to decision makers, you need to take that view from the top. Talk about strategy, talk about things that matter to them. Profit, loss, speak their language and speak to them at their level. And when you've had that conversation and they recommend you to somebody else in the organization, make sure you keep them in the loop. Now, sometimes it's not possible to speak to somebody in charge. You can't get through the front door. So what you do instead is you go round the back. And round the back, you will find the influencers. They can't make a decision, but they can influence a decision. Every relationship needs nurturing, especially the one with influencers. Now be aware of the fake decision makers. People who say they are decision makers, but they are not. You recognize them from a mile. They don't have the facts, they talk mumbo jumbo, and they big themselves up. And they will never make decisions. Qualify your influencers. Ask them how often they have dealt with a project like this. Who else may have to be involved? Who could spoil it for us? Decisions, decisions, decisions. You know what? When one door closes, another one always opens. Good luck.